Australian Wool Innovation has partnered with robotics specialists at the Centre for Autonomous Systems at the University of Technology, Sydney, to pursue the possibility of robotics in the wool harvesting space. The first scoping study has seen the UTS robotics team collaborate with stakeholders in the wool industry and world-class shearers to work out how robotics can be incorporated into wool harvesting.
We really got right into it. We got out, we showed some robots that we brought along with us today. Got to interact with them, play with them, hands-on. We were fortunate to have sheep and sheep shears and the equipment, and we had really hands-on sessions where we could really work through the process, the challenges, and from there we were able to start to really think maybe beyond tradition, and we're able to try out some new ideas on Sheep Live.
We talked in the morning, obviously, and we shared our industry's point of views and where we could go and what we could achieve. Then we went down and shore a few sheep for the guys so that they could see firsthand in a real scenario of what happens and what we actually do, and we could explain to them how we manipulate sheep and hold sheep and use angles and techniques to get around a sheep.
The next stage saw the application of this discussion into the context of robotic design. And the first step was to create the first life-size 3D printed sheep. Using 3D photographs taken of a variety of sheep, the printer technology at the Protospace facilities at UTS could replicate the shape, size, and contours of a sheep. Once printed, this sheep allowed the UTS team to transfer their robotic knowledge from other industries, such as robotic-assisted surgery and robotic-assisted apple picking, into the wool industry. This was achieved by programming the robotic arms to mimic a shearer's blow pattern along the life-sized sheep. The ability of algorithms that allow robotics to learn enables the robot to store memory of its movement and apply this to its next movements.
Modern technology, machines, etc., they have what they call learning machines. So every time this robot shears a sheep, it gets stored in its memory bank. The next time it goes, it stores that one. And so after the first time it shears a sheep, it might take it 5 minutes. It might take it 10 minutes. But the next time it gets a sheep that has similar principles, well, it knows exactly where to go. It doesn't have to think about it.
The robotics team have used this technology to demonstrate a shearing blow pattern on a 3D printed sheep that is both gentle and intuitive.